unpack some stickers. Yeah. Okay, first one we shall have spectacular pack. Let's see. Oh, it's a Chomper. Count Chompula. Cool. Okay, let's try some amazing bling. More bling. Legend of the Lawn. Okay. Another one of this pack. Oh, engineer. A okay. How about another one of this? Oh, a pea shooter. Oh, it's one of the pea shooter. Amazing bling. Oh, cool. Legend of the Lawn. Wait. Oh my god. Gold? Oh yeah. Final one. Actually, I don't know. Actually, let's do some more. Oh yeah. Final pack. Ready? Alright. That's it, guys. I will be... Crap. Meh. I needed some anyways. Okay. Yeah, this is the end of the episode. And all I want to say is, one sec. Let's just put on some stuff. All I want to say is, Merry Christmas, and, I don't know what else, so, one sec. Bye!